This is how your answers look like, from problem to one chain of thought to one answer. But with ADHD skill, you have 15 independent thought paths. Then it scores all the ideas, remove the weak ideas, combine the strongest one, and give you the final answer. So today we'll install the ADHD skill to be used by Cloud. And you see, it has many features. You'll just go through them at your own free time. But for now, I will show you where to get it and how to install it. So let's go to it. Go to GitHub, just search for ADHD skills for Cloud. It will take it to the first GitHub page. ADHD skills for Cloud. You see, it does all this. Just go through them in your own free time to understand how it functions. But if you wait till the end, I will show you how it is useful. This is how you install it. You can use the code to install it manually, or you can follow the procedure that I'll give you. It diverges the thoughts, then focus on one critical thought path. So let's download the skill, the zip file from GitHub. Then go ahead and extract the downloaded file. You can use WinRAR, extract. Then in the folder, you extract the folder, then you have that folder there. Then let's open Cloud. Then continue with Google. You can sign into your Google account for Cloud. Then here you can select the customize, then select the skills, then click on add. Then you'll just upload the skill you downloaded. So let's go to the folder where we find the skill. Just open that folder, scroll all the way to the bottom, then you'll find the source, the skill folder. Open that ADHD folder, then you'll drag and drop this MD file to your Cloud. Drag and drop. That is the ADHD file, and that is the skill in Cloud. So you see, these are the instructions that it will give to Cloud, and Cloud will follow the instructions and give you a very good prompt. So first things first, Cloud will go through all these instructions and give you a very good answer. Step 2, it will self-judge itself to see whether the answer is the best. Then it will loop and go through other phases to find the critical point. Then it will focus on the final answer in phase 2, where all the branches are returned. Then it selects the strongest answer and kick out the weak ones. You see, these are the frames of thought, like game design, security engineer, and all that. So I'll ask Cloud, what is the usefulness of this skill? Then I'll paste the URL there. Is it useful? List 10 usefulnesses. Then Cloud will go ahead and think, but it's taking a lot of time. So I'll also ask ChatGPT. You see, it's still loading. GPT here will give us a quick answer. I understand why Cloud is not giving us the answer quickly. So GPT says your problem normally goes through one chain of thought, then you get one answer. But this skill is taking us through 15 independent thoughts. Scores all the ideas, remove the weak ones, then it combines the strongest ones and give you the final answer. So this can be the best skill in your prompts. You can use it whenever you like. So these are the 10 useful ways it can help. These are just examples. For example, when you're designing a large application, it explores several architectures instead of just suggesting to you a common approach. Then it is also better at debugging, solving the errors, finding bugs, the timeouts, and the dependency conflict. Then it's also good at brainstorming features from different viewpoints. For example, the customer, the developer, business owner, security, marketing support, and it produces varied ideas. Then we also have an API design. It's useful for deciding which API design you should go for. Then it's also good at naming things such as function names, etc. Also finding hidden problems because it does all the heavy lifting for you. Then it's also good at business strategy and learning the roadmaps. For example, you are looking for a roadmap, you can use this skill to find a roadmap. It's also good in creative writing, for example, stories, YouTube content, and all that. The ADHD is also good at that. So we've come to the end of our video, and for the new ones, you can always subscribe to join the bandwagon. For the rest, you can leave a thumbs up so that we can tell YouTube we need more of such videos. Thank you.